Hey y'all, it's Thursday, so I'm back with another throwback video. This one I'm going to be showing you my natural look. I call it my natural glow. Make sure you subscribe, follow, share, comment, and follow me on Instagram at its.brigee. Let's get into it. Okay, what's up? Okay, so this is going to be a really quick tutorial, really quick because I wanted to try to do like the natural look that everybody's doing. Like the people have lash extensions, but I don't have any lash extensions. I'm putting on lashes, minimal makeup, and lip gloss and big hoops. The summer, I feel like everybody's trying to go for that natural glow, trying to get that sunlight, get that glow going. So I just wanted to try it and see where it went. So first, I'm gonna start off. My face is clean, fresh face, and everything. But I'm gonna start off with my primer, of course, my Sephora Beauty Amplifier, primer, and get about that much, probably more. And like I said, be careful around your eyes. It might look like I'm pulling, but I'm really going soft. And I always go up against gravity. And I'm also gonna try to do my eyebrows, but like with minimal makeup too. Just a really, really, really natural brow. So I'm gonna start off brushing my eyebrows, and of course I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow in the color Auburn. So I really, first and foremost, my YouTube channels, I want them to really be like, like a teaching hospital. I want it to be like a teaching, like a really, I'm learning too, basically. So I'm learning from editing, from knowing how to talk and interact with you guys on YouTube, and then just doing makeup. All this is a learning experience. I'm learning, and I want y'all to learn with me. So all my videos aren't gonna be perfect, but that's okay. And hopefully y'all are okay with it. And hopefully that's why y'all like me, because I try to be real, and I'm not up here trying to like I know everything. Some things I do know, and y'all can learn from me, like learn from my mistakes or learn from things I actually know. So just, bear with me. I'm still learning. But natural look, we're gonna start back here and just lightly apply the product to the eyebrow. Like that. Really lightly. That. And then like I always do this. I'm gonna get my concealer and apply my carve out my eyebrows. My brush. Then the same on the top. And that's that. And then I'm just gonna blend it in some more with my brush. You don't really want no halo going around your eyebrows, so let's blend in as much as we can. Because even now, I still be having halos on my eyebrows sometimes. I'm gonna add some concealer dark, well, on my dark circle. And just let me keep taking it around here. Eyebrow. I'm getting my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in the color 335. Spray a little more Urban Decay on it. It just helps it spread a little better. Or I guess, and Beauty Blender the brand, so this isn't technically a beauty blender. It's like saying Kleenex, but Kleenex is the brand. It's not actually, you know, like it's tissue. It's not Kleenex. Kleenex is the brand. Anyway, I'm being too technical. But hey, sometimes technical is good, right? I don't know why I end up doing my eyebrows first. I usually do my foundation first and then add my eyebrows later. I need some more. I need my pores back. Trying to get into your hairline, ladies. Go back around your eyebrows again. Trying to get as close as you can to your eyebrow without wiping your any product off. So we're not doing no contouring today. We're just gonna try to look natural. So I'm gonna put my now, what am I doing? lashes. Just gonna put some mascara on, of course. You gotta have mascara on to do this. Not doing any eyeliner, just lashes. And I'm using my L'Oreal Telescope mascara. I feel like it does a good job of elongating my short little lashes. I love that my eyelashes are curly, but I feel like if they were like straighter, they'll be a little longer. Try not to touch your lash line with this. And it's a really thin spoolie, or spool. And I like the rubber spools. I feel like it pulls my lashes. Not too much, like where it hurts, but like it's really gripping them and putting the product on each and every lash. Then I'm gonna get my Kiss lashes in So Wispy. I've actually probably worn these like a bunch of times, at least 3 times. I've worn them. They're real. They're not anything dramatic. They're real, like just kind of normal looking. Yeah. I'm getting my clear lash glue. I got Ardell. The most important parts, if you run out of glue and you need to put your lashes on, you rushing, the most important part of the lashes to put your glue on is the center and the ends. Oh my gosh. It sucks when you out and your lashes come off. My lashes don't really come off with this glue. And like it helps to have a mirror up here and a mirror down here, because you can look down, and I always apply my lashes towards the middle first. And I kind of measure as I put them on. I've never actually had to cut my lashes. And we're gonna switch to the other eye because I put this on the wrong eye, y'all. Little goes in the middle. I'm tripping. Reapply some more. Okay. But I'm in a really good mood today, y'all. I don't know. I hope y'all are doing pretty good today. Let me try this again. I thought we don't have on mascara or anything. It's even more important to get these on your lash line. I mean, not mascara, but eyeliner. I feel like eyeliner kind of hides the base. Of the lash. Y'all, I just put on the wrong lashes. That's what happens when you don't put your lashes back where they're supposed to be. Those are a little longer and more dramatic. These aren't that dramatic. Put the lash on the wrong eye, use the wrong lash, y'all. What's going on? Whoops. What I say, learn from my mistakes. So guess what? Make sure y'all lashes match and make sure y'all put y'all lashes back. I literally take my lashes off and put them on my dresser. So that's why. Oh gosh, okay. This is the lash I meant to get, y'all. So It's weird having these on without no mess. No eyeliner, I'm not even gonna lie. And I'm still going to put on my bronzer. Is that everything? Oh, my Fenty, of course. Or I got on Vaseline, but let's put on some Fenty. A little more summertime glow. And to put on my eyelashes, I use this or tweezers. Do the trick. Then I'm gonna get my Maybelline highlighter. You got a glue. Maybe need a nice glue. So like a really simple look. I'll add a little more mascara to my bottom lashes. Simply because, I don't know, they're just little bitty. And I'm probably gonna wear my hair let's see how it looks down. It's still kind of stiff. Y'all let it blind. But yeah, it's my natural glow look, I guess. But yeah, lashes look pretty good. Eyebrows look kind of natural. Lip gloss popping. But yeah, that's all, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time. I hope y'all enjoyed this throwback. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you. Bye.